Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amiibo with your phone. While your smartphone cannot directly act as an Amiibo to unlock in-game content on a Nintendo console, it can be used to create your own functional Amiibo tags. This involves a few key steps and specific materials. We will explore the necessary components, the software you'll need, and the straightforward process to bring your digital Amiibo data to life on physical tags. Let's get started on making your own custom Amiibo collection. To begin, you'll need an Android phone equipped with NFC, as iPhones typically do not support the required functionality. Next, acquire NTAG 215 NFC tags. These are crucial because they are the only type compatible with Amiibo data. You'll also need to download a specialized application, such as Tagmo, from an external source, as it's not available in standard app stores. Finally, gather the Amiibo data files, commonly known as bin files, for the characters you wish to create. Once you have the Tagmo application, install it on your Android phone, remembering to enable installations from unknown sources in your device settings. The next critical step is to import two specific key files, unfixed info, bin and lock secret. Bin. These files are essential for the application to handle the encrypted Amiibo data correctly. Make sure to place all your Amiibo bin data files in a single, easily accessible folder on your phone, ready for the next step. With your application set up and files ready, open Tagmo and select the Amiibo bin file for the character you want to create. Then, choose the right tag option. Carefully place a blank NTAG 215 NFC tag against the NFC reading area of your Android phone. The application will then write the selected Amiibo data to the tag. Each tag can only be written once, making it a permanent Amiibo that can be used with compatible Nintendo consoles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.